It's a beautiful day. I'm out here. I ran through my last book, so I'm reading the one that I bought earlier this year, Children of the Gates by Andre Norton. I don't think I've read that one. In fact, I know I haven't because it's familiar to me, which is kind of nice. Andre Norton has been my favorite science fiction writer ever since I started reading science fiction. So, from teenager to now. I'm sure she's not the best, but, you know, I like her. She always, brings a tear to my eye. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's 25, I think. And the Canadians just beat the Russians in the International Hockey Federation's Gold Cup, gold medal round. So we're the champions, yay! We haven't won it in a few years, so it was coming. They won every single game they played in this tournament, which means they get the bonus over $1 million, which is kind of cool. They can do all sorts of good with that, so yeah. I'm ending up in a good mood. Done my work. I'll do some cleaning and stuff tomorrow. Maybe we'll drive over to over there somewhere. Yeah. Place over beyond Waterloo. To see if we can buy something for the kitchen. Maybe we can stop off at, see, today's Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday. We can stop off at Conestoga Mall, go to the Apple store. I don't know, maybe that's in the plans. Brave little squirrel keeps on peeking over and disappearing. Not so brave. Okay, well, yeah. Gorgeous day. Me in a good mood. I can take it. There's that squirrel. Alrighty. Fireworks haven't started yet, being as it's quite bright, but I've heard people, practicing. This is a weekend of fireworks, for sure. Victoria Day weekend. Ta for now.